Hey everyone, there's a bit of big news I'm going to get into about the channel, but before I do, just want to say sorry about the sunglasses. I got the sun right in my face and it makes it a little bit hard to film, but it's the best way to do it. Second thing, if you didn't know about it, on our YouTube channel there's a community tab, which I'm just showing you here. If you click on that, you'll be able to see all the posts that are done by the channel that isn't a direct video. So make sure you go on there, have a look and see what's there. The other thing, there's a Facebook group. The link's on the home page if you don't know it, or you could just search for the Insight District on Facebook. Well, I haven't posted in a while. Unfortunately, that's life. Life's gotten pretty busy with work and got kids and all kinds of things, so just trying to fit it all in, so I thought I'd give an update of what's going on. So, the Insight District channel is going to have a big change. I'll put a deposit down on a 2021 Isuzu D-Max X-Terrain. So, that's not due to come in until the end of the year. They say around December or January. So until that comes in, I'm going to keep making videos on the Ranger. But the good thing about having a new car is I'm going to be doing lots and lots of modifications to it. So it's going to be good to watch how a stock standard car will go to a fully capable four-wheel drive. So my plans are to put bull bars, rear bars, side steps, you name it. Whatever modification I can put on it, I'm going to be trying to put on it. So make sure you stick around on the channel to see what happens. The D-Max is very close to the new BT 50. So a lot of the works that I do on the D-Max will match the BT 50, so that'll help people as well. I'm going to be making lots of videos on the things that I'm going to get installed on the car, the features of the car. So even if you're thinking about getting a new car in the future, it may help you. In the meantime, I'm still going to be doing videos on the Ford Ranger. What you might not know is that my Ford Ranger is a two-wheel drive car. It's not actually 4x4. So that's one of the reasons why I'm upgrading. I want to be able to have a fully capable 4x4, so that's why I'm purchasing a new vehicle. There's nothing wrong with my one. I'm going to be selling it. So good luck to the person that buys it. It'll do them well. I'm going to try and post a lot more regularly as well. It's hard with work. And just family life, but it's something that I'm going to try and achieve. Make sure if you subscribe to this channel that you hit that little bell notification, so that way you get notified when I release videos. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe. Is there anything you want to know about four-wheel drives in general? Leave me a comment below, so that way I can see what modifications you'd like me to see to do this D-Max. Leave me a comment also if you have suggestions about products that I should try on it. Check out the rest of the videos on my channel, so that way you can see something that you may like. Thanks for watching.